Today, let's talk about overcoming emotional eating and sugar cravings. Now, let's understand what causes emotional eating. Many of us turn to food, particularly sugary treats, as a way to cope with negative emotions such as stress, sadness, or boredom. This behavior provides temporary comfort but can lead to a cycle of cravings and guilt, right? The second type of emotional eating come from stress and cortisol. Chronic stress triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that can increase appetite, particularly for foods high in sugar and fat. This stress-induced craving for sugar can be a response to seeking comfort or a temporary mood boost. The other type of emotional eating come from reward center in the brain. Sugary food stimulate the release of dopamine, something associated with pressure and reward. This can create a psychological association between sugary food and feeling good, leading to craving during emotional or stressful situation. Also, before giving in to a sugar craving, pause and ask yourself if you are truly physically hungry or if there's an emotional triggers behind the craving. Take a moment to assess your emotional state and consider alternative ways to address it. Also, don't forget to keep a food and mood journal to track your emotions, food choices, and cravings. This can help you to identify patterns and triggers, allowing you to develop healthier habits and coping mechanisms. Be kind to yourself throughout this journey. Remember that occasional indulgence are normal, and it is essential to approach your relationship with food and sugar with compassion and understanding. So, congratulations on completing today's assignment. You now have a better understanding of the link between emotions, stress, and sugar cravings. By applying techniques for managing emotional eating, finding healthier ways to cope with stress, and practice mindfulness and self awareness, you can overcome sugar cravings and develop healthier habits. Keep up the great work. See you tomorrow.